Let me call on the indefatigable chairperson of the planning committee for the 2024 Fetu Afashi, in the person of Madam Charlotte Ose. If you heard about the 2024 Fetu Afashi, it's mostly because of the leadership and her drive. Help me welcome Madam Charlotte Ose.
His Royal Majesty, the two persons to the second, Nanano from the Asantehene Council, Nanano from the Oguaamanhene area, Honorable Minister Tourism, esteemed mothers, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, members of the media, good evening. It's my distinct privilege and honor to welcome all of you to this royal dinner in honor of a very special guest of honor at this year's Fetu Afashi, the 60th series reinstituted Fetu Afashi in 1964. This is the 60th, and we're extremely privileged that the two will accept to be our special guest of honor. So this evening is in honor of Opemsuo and the Asantehene Council for letting Opemsuo to us for the next 4 days. Opemsuo, welcome to us. And in fact, my apologies. Doctor. My instructions from your brother Asantehene were that this is going to be very relaxed, intimate evening with no speeches. In fact, I was told that I should make sure that the MC does not crack audio jokes. And it is a meeting, a dinner between brothers, and we've just been invited to join them. So please, in spite of the very dark appearance of Opemsuo in his hotel, it is a very relaxed, informal evening. And so Opemsuo always appears dark. You have to take it like that. So there will be no speeches today, except from Oguaamanhene and Opemsuo. I'm sure Cesar is giving me the eye if you want to see a few words at some point. Cesar, you move here. They are going in the spirit of the evening. A fun, relaxed evening. At some point, we will have the cameras leave so that we can all be natural. So, welcome everyone. I just want to welcome you and to encourage you to explore Cape Coast over the next few days. Have fun, not too much fun. Enough fun for you to be sober on Saturday morning to join us at the procession for Chiefs and the Endeavor. Opemsuo, thank you for joining us. Thank you for accepting to be here. Thank you for honoring us with your presence at the 60th Fetu Afashi. And on behalf of your brother Asantehene, welcome. Welcome.
My brother and friend, my Royal Majesty, my colleague chiefs, Asantehene and Cape Coast, my friend, the son, nobody knows. And everybody here, we more in with my bro. It's nice to see an array of friends gathered at one place with an aim to enjoy ourselves, and more especially is because Cape Coast is celebrating its festival. And the most important of this celebration is the presence of somebody whose name I don't want to mention, but he is sitting immediately to my left. We have been friends for a long time, and I don't know, there's something which binds us together, and I'm glad that he is here to join us in this celebration. And I'm sure all of you are also here to witness the uniqueness of our festival. Tonight, as we were told, is not a serious night. Everybody is to relax. Feel free, talk to your friends, make friends, and so that when we live with a joyful heart. I welcome everybody to Cape Coast. Oguaamanhene, and I was talking to my friend here. Let's call that tonight. This visit is a business visit. I want him to come back. And pure. Baba Oguaamanhene. And that visit will be a relaxing visit. The two of us will be swimming in the sea. Those are my waters. This is. Please, my friend, and two friends are swimming in the sea. Please, we are not. It's between the two of us. My brother, welcome to me. And I'm so glad that we are here. We meet at other places, but today we are here with me. And you should know what the winner said. I know. Enjoy yourself. All the 18 and Santa. So let's all enjoy ourselves and happy. Thank you.
Thank you very much for those remarks. I would like at this juncture to call on Opemsuo to respond to these remarks, very short remarks, and then we will get to eating. Thank you.
I'm here in Cape Coast because my Lord brother and my dear friend invited me to celebrate. So that's why I'm here. My uncle came to Cape Coast in 1946, Reverend II, to be the guest of Opemsuo at that time, in November. I wanted to wait till November so that I could calculate the dates. But I'm here today because my brother wanted me to be part of the virtual fast. And then again, my brother, the Chancellor of Cape Coast University, also had programmed for me to come and receive an honorary doctorate degree. And so it was synchronized, fit and then separate for me to be here. And the Campus University I wanted to wait earlier, but then my brother insisted that it should fall within the period that fit to a fashion. So that's why I came for the honorary award today, and then I stayed through till Saturday for the virtual fashion. But I can't leave on Saturday because he tells me that I have to stay till Sunday. And whilst we were working through, I saw the sea and I panicked. And I told him, man, you know, those of us in Ashanti in the middle belt, we don't like the sea. So I don't want to get closer to that. And he said, we shall go and swim. I wonder how. Because even in any of my houses that has a swimming pool, I don't go near it. And I took the decision even to build an orangery on the swimming pool in my house in London, which Oguaamanhene didn't like at all, even though he doesn't know how to swim. I think he walks around it in the morning when I'm there with him, and he enjoys the water. But I warned him that, look, you are like me, you don't know how to swim, so don't take any chances. But I'm here because this evening my brother decided that I come and have a relaxing evening, which I don't normally get to do. In Kumasi, I'm hemmed in like a prisoner. And therefore, I don't have any chance to enjoy like that. So I thought to precede the fashion, I'm giving you opportunity to enjoy with beautiful people like you here. And I thank you very much for coming. And I'm looking at the presence of these people, all of you here, that the future of fashion is also going to be grand. And especially so the chairperson, who has been my sweetie pie for all the years. And also seeing Justice Barbara, my dear. When I see the Asantehene I've seen, he came to Kumasi to inform me formally and to invite us formally. So I've always seen him, and he's been a nice affable man, and he's been very supportive. All the reports I've gotten about you is that you're doing well. Thank you very much. And thank you for doing that for him. He's my Lord brother, and therefore we meet on the square, which you don't know. You know, yes. So that's where the brother comes from. But then when we come to traditional group, he's also my brother there. So I thank you very much this evening. I hope I can dance a bit to enjoy myself.